Today, we're going to reveal how you can make money easily using the newest apps. Picture your phone becoming a cash generator. Explore the idea of earning money without much effort by checking out apps that could help you earn up to $100 or even more. Whether you need extra cash, want a part-time job, or just want your free time to make money for you, this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned until the end as we explain the process step by step and introduce you to the apps that could change the game for you financially. WealthWalk AI. To start, head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. Both stores have the same apps, but for this example, I'll demonstrate using the Google Play Store. I'll guide you through finding apps that let you earn money effortlessly on your phone. Let's start with the first app, WealthWalk AI. It's a new app with a fantastic 5-star rating and over 50,000 downloads, which is pretty impressive. I expect it to hit 1 million downloads soon. To begin, just install the app, and I'll show you how it works. According to their website, it says make AI work for you. Share your internet, earn passive income. It's the first people-powered AI data network, offering real-time, unbiased insights for creators, brands, and businesses. This app is safe to use, and it's an innovative concept. You install the app, and without much effort, you start earning. It's a simple process. The website provides a step-by-step guide on installation, making it very user-friendly. Once it's installed, you earn every time you have the app open on your phone. While it might not pay the most, it's definitely a good option to start your earning journey. Traf Monetizer. Let's take a closer look at our second featured app, Traf Monetizer. This app brings a fresh perspective to making money online by leveraging your internet connection. As we explore their website, we're greeted with a compelling slogan: share your internet connection and make money online. The concept is similar to our first app, but promises higher payouts. The core idea behind Traf Monetizer revolves around the question, why would we pay for your traffic? The answer lies in the high demand from marketing and advertising agencies for customer visits, website traffic, and extra internet bandwidth. This innovative approach taps into the vast potential of the 92% of unused bandwidth that most people have. Users can earn an average of $29 for each connected device, which is quite tempting. With a user base of 350,000 and a commendable 4.1 star rating, Traf Monetizer has gained remarkable popularity, boasting over 1 million downloads. The surge in downloads highlights its effectiveness and appeal to users, making it a valuable addition to your collection of internet sharing apps. In the ever-evolving world of passive income opportunities, diversity is crucial. Therefore, having multiple internet sharing apps on your phone, including Traf Monetizer, allows you to maximize your earnings by tapping into different sources simultaneously. Good Dollar. Let's dive into the intriguing realm of an innovative app called Good Dollar. It's named for its mission to distribute universal basic income in the form of cryptocurrencies. This groundbreaking app isn't just for those facing financial challenges, it's also for people looking for an extra income source. What makes Good Dollar unique is how it brings together the cryptocurrency community while offering free earnings to users. When you visit their website, you'll see a compelling message. Free money is a public good, unlocking human potential with digital universal basic income. The platform has an impressive track record, with 640,000 users onboarded, facilitating $6 million in transactions and a notable money multiplier of 13 times. Pretty enticing, right? To explore the possibilities and potentially benefit from this digital universal basic income, you can easily sign up and join this transformative initiative. Despite having 100,000 downloads currently, the app has already earned a 4.3 star rating out of 5, making it user-friendly and well-received. The potential for widespread adoption looks promising, given its unique approach to financial inclusivity. As more people discover the advantages of Good Dollar, its user base is likely to grow into the millions. So don't miss out. Explore the world of Good Dollar, where universal basic income meets the digital age. Make money, play, and earn cash. Let's check out the fourth app in our list, the one I've been really excited to show you. Make money, play, and earn cash. This app has done some really cool stuff. It's given out over $150 million to people and got more than 2 million awesome reviews on the Google Play Store. Plus, it's gotten $40 million from investors all around the world. What makes this app different is that it gives you lots of ways to make money. You could make up to $1,200 a year just by doing simple things like listening to music or playing games. And when it's time to get your money, you've got options like putting it in your bank account, using PayPal, or even getting gift cards for places like Amazon or Walmart. Starting is easy. Just download the app and sign up. People really like this app because it's safe to use and easy to understand. It's a great choice if you want to make some extra money without a lot of hassle. Basically, this app makes it simple to turn your phone into a money-making machine. Cash Raven. Moving on to our last recommendation, Cash Raven, we continue our journey into the realm of earning passive income by sharing your internet connection. The reason for collecting various apps like this becomes clear. Each one may offer unique benefits, and having a variety increases your potential earnings. Like its counterparts, Cash Raven emphasizes the importance of safety controls during installation to ensure a secure and reliable user experience. As we examine their earning structure, it's clear that the more devices you have in operation, the more income you can generate. This app provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to monitor and control the shared data, promoting a safe and efficient earning environment. According to their statistics, sharing 33 GB per day could potentially yield around $100 per device. The flexibility of this model lets you invite friends and family, perhaps your parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, to create a network of shared devices that collectively contribute to your earnings. In essence, this concise yet comprehensive video serves as a time-saving guide, offering you a curated selection of apps that can turn your idle time into a profitable venture. Strategically integrating these internet sharing apps not only optimizes your earnings, but also simplifies the process, sparing you the tedious task of searching for opportunities independently. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.